Hallo, ich bin deutscher Lehrer Stefan. Today in this starter course, we are going to check a little bit on your knowledge. So we will make a revision test. We will look at questions and answers and words and vocabulary that we have had so far. We have learned a lot of vocabularies at the moment and also a few sentences and a little bit grammar. So let's check what we already remember. This test can be either sent to me, or you can make it also on the quizzes application. The first part is about vocabulary with pictures. Do you recognize the pictures? What is that in German? So you see the picture, when you see the question, was ist das? What is that? Das ist ein, and then you have to type in the name, or on the quizzes application, it's multiple choice. The second one, das ist eine, das ist ein, das ist ein, das ist eine, das ist ein, das ist ein, das ist eine, das ist ein, and finally, what is that? In the second part, you will have to decipher anagrams. If you don't know anagrams, the letters have to be arranged new so that you can make a correct word. As an example, A-N-A-B-E-N, A-N-A-B-E-N, banane. So, there. Ö-L-H-E-H. D-E-R-P-F. U-C-H-A-B. R-A-S-W-E-S. C-H-I-S-S. P-F-E-L-A. Z-E-T-K-A. B-R-E-A-Z. E-K-E-R-F and F-E-I-S-E. Did you get all the words? Then we have learned a few phrases and sentences. This part 3, is what is the correct phrase or sentence in the question. So look at the picture for this one here. The question is, wie geht es dir? And which mood does it correspond to? That is the same question, but another picture. Was sagt man 6 Uhr? So, what do you say at 600? What do you say at 1400? What do you say at 1900? Now the picture, look at the picture and choose what is suitable for the picture. Look at the map and what is suitable again for the picture. What is correct here? And what about this picture here? Do you know that one? Finally, the bye-bye in the evening. What do you say? Part 4. I told you at the beginning of the course, the noun is best learned with articles or with a gender. We will check that here. How much has been remembered? It is also important to know the gender so that the right articles can be used. Which definite article is correct? One more time, which definite article is correct? And once again. So choose for the pictures, what is the correct article? We have also some questions with indefinite article and gender. Because you know it's in masculinum and neutrum is ein. So if it is ein, if you think it's ein, you have still to decide, is it masculinum or neutrum? Same about this one, and one more. In all languages, it is important that sentence construction and logic in the sentence are correct. It is important to answer correctly and to ask correct and accurate questions. So, what is the correct answer here? Was ist das? What is the right sentence structure? Here as well, what is the right structure? There you have to know also the vocabulary a little bit to answer correctly. The same goes with that one here. And what is it for kennst du das on this picture? Now comes probably the most difficult part. You look at words and you have to decide which sentence you can make from these words. In example, bin Deutscher ich. Ich bin Deutscher. Das kein Haus ist. Banane ist eine das. Now this one is a question, so be careful. Ein Elefant das ist. Kenne ja das ich. And finally, kein ist das nein Haus. Okay, the answers you can either send to me on these contact addresses on Facebook, TikTok, email, Instagram, Line, or YouTube, or you can make it, as I said, on the quizzes application. I thank you very much for today. I hope you remembered quite a lot. Dankeschön, auf Wiedersehen, tschüss.